Okay, so these LODs, okay, like the techniques just now. Okay, so to reduce it, so you can see we need to have the LOD group to group them down. Okay, so we need to on this render statics to check that our models lah. Okay, so you use the render kit to download. Okay, to download some of the models. So you can download bear or dog or whatever lah. Here I'm download the dog. Oh, okay. Uh, okay. Okay, so I download this dog. Okay, you can download whatever. Don't download too simple models. Make it more complicated a bit. Okay, more high details. So you can see this dog alone. Okay, you can see the police is around. Vertices is around 39,000. Still okay one. So not so details. Okay, so not so details. Okay, so how to open this one, class? You can go to, okay, you can go to the edit preference interface status bar. Okay, edit preference. Okay, and then interface. Okay, interface, edit preference interface. Okay, then you will see the status bar in the editor here. Can you see it? So you just check the scene statistic. Okay, this one, the first one. Okay, edit, preference, interface. Okay, editor here, status bar, scene statistic. Okay, so now you can check the models that you downloading. Okay, so this is your models, right? Okay, you make sure you are in the object models, in the object mode. Okay, so this one. Okay, you go to modifier here. Okay, add modifier. So you can use this. Decimate. You can use this decimate. So decimate means that reduce the geometry density. If you reduce the geometry density means that you have a lower lah. So you can copy one more. You can copy one more. Okay, to copy one more. Okay. Inside. Okay, so I'm deleting. Yeah. Okay, so I just remain this one. Okay, so you name it as dog, D-O-G. Okay, so for the LD file automatically detected by the Unity, you need to have a dash. Then you type LOD 0. Okay, you type like this. Okay, you must follow the Unity instruction that your naming should be the same. Your naming should be the same. Okay. If you have the many items, they have many parts here, you need to make sure that you are joined to one. So some of you maybe have a dog eye lah, dog leg lah, dog cloth lah. Okay, you select all your things and then you press the join. So this one, Control Z, and make sure they join into one. Okay, so now this is your dock already, right? Okay, so you can duplicate one more, Control C, Control V. Okay, you rename it as a one. Okay, you rename it as a one. Select this one and goes to add modifier. You goes to generate and decimate. Okay, now you decimate it to ratio. You reduce it to 0.5. Okay, then you click apply. So now you have the LD1. You close this one. You see your LOD vertices become 90,000 already. You reduce mostly 50% of it. Okay? Your naming should be the same. Your namings you need to have this one whatever name but same name. Same and then dash and then LOD1. LD0, LD1. So start from LD1, copy paste here, rename it as LD2, LD2, okay, and then same thing, you goes to modifier, okay, and goes to generate, then decimate. So now you make it 0.5 again, okay, then you click apply. Okay, so now you can check the vertices. Okay, now your vertices become 9,000. So even less. Okay, and then your low poly, one more, Control C, Control V. Okay, then this one we call it as a dash LD3. Okay, LD3 goes to add modifier, generate, decimate, and then this one change to 0. You can make it lower a bit lah, 0.2. So you can check this one, you see 2000. See this one, if you put 0.1, so 1000 plus. So you click apply. So now you have this all set of it. So you save this one, okay, you save this one as a one folder, okay, you can on everything, okay, save as, export to the FBX, you export to the FBX and call it as a doc LD. So you can put it in download maybe, okay, you can write as a doc LOD. Okay, you export it. Okay, now you done already. You can open your Unity. Okay, so directly drag the LOD, download the doc. So when you just drag to your Unity, actually it automatically will detect it as a LOD lah. So you see when you drag to your scene, okay, you can see it automatically have a LOD group. Okay, so you can do a adjustment here lah. So you can drag how far you want. Okay, and then end lah. So very easy on it.